Narrowly escaped death. There's not even anybody in the truck. I thought I was getting ready to move. But we do have to watch this parking lot because it's after work and there's a lot of crazy people. You gotta beat it over to that sidewalk. Don't die on your way to the sidewalk, Kaden. My one rule of living is don't die. And this lens is dirty. Hang on. Look what this young lady just caught. Elvis's missing sunglasses. All right.
Caught something. What do you mean it's not big enough for bait fish?
Whoa, nice catch.
What do you mean it's not good for bait fish?
Nice catch. Didn't you already catch this guy once?
Probably caught him again. He got gill netted? What?
Yeah, he tried to get out. Oh, we got something. Caden's fighting. He's fighting. Oh, I can tell that's a big one. Whatever it is. What do you think it is? Hammerhead? Is it loose? Oh, it came loose.
Snapper.
It's a mangrove snapper?
Mm-hmm. Hey, I turned around, I see that thing doubled over. I'm like, oh no.
I thought it was that hammerhead came back for more. There's a lot of mangrove snapper that hang out on these pylons. And if you catch them between 10 and 12 inches. What's up, drum? Beating the drum.
Glass minnows. My favorite minnows.
Listen to them.
I want to save these glass minnows for the
It's
tank.
Morse code.
Well, there's your one bait fish right there.
Where's the black drum at? Over there.
About ready.
He's croaking like crazy. Is there a limit on these guys?
No, not sure. There's somebody's worm right there.
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, that's gonna wrap it up. We did all the fishing we could do for one evening. We're on our way home. We're on our way. Oh, not this roundabout. Jeez.
Oh, that's ready.
Here's our freshly cleaned fish. We're putting salt and pepper on it.
Don't forget your tail.
Video of me eating the tail. Mmm, tastes like bacon. Fishy bacon. There it is, fish dinner. Bon appetit.